Hello students, I Mrs. Lata Shinde. In this video, we will learn about subject English Standard First. Our topic is Samir is hungry. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a boy, a table or bench, a chair. The boy is writing something. So, we say learn. Repeat the word with me. Learn. One more time. Learn. Children, what you can see in this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a bird. Let us repeat. Bird. Bird. What is the color of the bird, children? You can tell me. Yes, the bird is having blue color. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, this picture is of a boy. And what he is doing? He is waving his hand in the air. So, we say for this, goodbye. So, let us repeat the word with me. Goodbye. One more time. Goodbye. Children, when do we wish goodbye to somebody? Yes, when we are going away from our family, friends, relatives, then we wish goodbye to them. Children, who is this in this picture? Yes, he is Samir. So let us repeat the word Samir. Samir. So you can see Samir. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a teacher, and what else you can see? Yes, you can see a blackboard where teacher write the notes. What work the teacher do in the school students? Yes, she teaches you in the school. Children, in the last lesson, teacher Asha's class, we have learned about the golden words. They are good morning and thank you. You also seen when to use these words or when to greet somebody by using these words. Thank you and good morning. Now, as we know, children, about good morning, now we will see about good afternoon. We say good afternoon when we meet someone after 12 o'clock. What do we say, children, when we meet somebody after 12 o'clock? Yes, we say good afternoon. Let us repeat one more time. Good afternoon. Children, can you tell me what do you see in this picture? Yes, you can see boys, girls, teacher. Yes, what else you can see in this picture, children? Yes, you can see the desk, benches, classroom. So, it is a picture of a classroom. You can also see the blackboard, windows. So, all these things includes in our classroom. So, it is a picture of a classroom. So, children, let us see the lesson Samir is hungry. I will read the lesson. You have to keep your finger where I am reading. Teacher Asha comes to class. She says, "Good afternoon, class." The class says, "Good afternoon, teacher." Sameer asks, "When do we go home, teacher?" Teacher Asha smiles. She says, "Sorry, Sameer, you will go home when the bell rings." The children learn about a little blue bird. Then the bell rings. Dong dong dong. Sameer is happy. It is time to go home. It is time to go home. The class says, "Goodbye, teacher. We are going home." Children, now we have read the lesson. Now I will tell you what is there in the lesson. Teacher Asha, who is Sameer's teacher, she says to Sameer, "Good afternoon," as well as she greet full class, and Sameer asks a question to teacher Asha that when he will go home. Teacher Asha gives a smile and she says, "Sorry, Sameer, when the bell will ring, that time only you can go home." And she continues teaching about a blue bird, a little blue bird, and the bell time becomes and the bell is ring. Then Sameer feels very happy because he was hungry. So it is time to go home. Everybody in the class start wishing each other goodbye, and they wish to teacher also goodbye because they all are going home. Children, in your class also, when your school gets over, the bell rings, you also wish your teacher goodbye, teacher, thank you, teacher. Yes or no? So like that, Sameer and his friends wish to teacher Asha and they all go home. Children, now we have seen the lesson. Now let us see the question answers of this lesson. Question number 1. Answer the following. First one. How does teacher Asha greet the class? Answer. She says, "Good afternoon, class." Why? Second question. Why Sameer is happy when the bell rings? Answer. It is time to go home. Third question. What do the boys and girls learn about in this lesson? Answer. They learn about a little blue bird. Children, here you all have a small activity for you. You have 2 questions. You have to write the answers of this question in full sentence and practice it. First question, what is your name? So, you have to write down your name in complete sentence. Here is the lesson about Sameer. So, I have taken the name of Sameer and I have written in my answer, my name is Sameer. You all also have to write, my name is, whatever is your name, you have to write in complete sentence. Then second question, who are you? I have gave you a choice in the bracket, boy or girl. If you are a boy, you will write, I am a boy. If you are a girl, you will write, I am a girl. So, make it as a habit to write in complete sentence. Children, here we are end of this lesson and the last work is your homework. You can see I have given you certain names of the things which you have to draw. So question is, draw and color the following pictures. Children, These all things you have seen in your real lives. So you have to draw it in your notebook and color it with the crayons. First one, sun, sun, sun. Second, flower, flower, flower. Third, tree, tree, tree. 4, fish, fish, fish. 5, house, house, house. So children, you all have to draw and color it nice. Thank you children.